Today I will talk about relationship between Umax and U bar, where Umax is the maximum velocity when fluid is flowing through a circular pipe and U bar is the average velocity. Then I will show U bar is the half of the maximum velocity. Then I will discuss F is equal to 16 by Re, means I will derive and then I will prove that friction factor is 16 by Re, means here F is friction factor and Re is the Reynolds number. Earlier videos I already discussed velocity profile at horizontal circular pipe. Now the velocity profile for laminar flow through a horizontal circular pipe that is given here, that is Uz of R is equal to 1 by 4 mu dp by dz, then capital R square minus R square. So this is the velocity profile. Now if we write means if I take common capital R square, so that equation become minus 1 by 4 mu dp by dz capital R square 1 minus R by capital R whole square. Now if I plug that R is equal to 0, then velocity profile will be the maximum. Now from here the nature of the velocity profile is parabolic. Now if I plug R is equal to 0, so that will give the maximum velocity at the center of the pipe. So Umax will get, so if we plug R is equal to 0, so Umax will be minus del P by del Z capital R square by 4 mu. Between Umax and U bar. The maximum velocity Umax is found at the center line of the pipe where R is equal to 0, that I already discussed. So Umax is nothing but that Uz R is equal to 0, so that is minus dp dz capital R square by 4 mu. Now average velocity U bar, so I already discussed in previous video, so you can look into that. So U bar is nothing but minus capital R square by 8 mu dp by dz. Now we know that Umax is equal to minus dp by dz capital R square by 4 mu. Now I am taking 2 here, so that 2 we have to multiply it with that denominator, so that 4 mu become 8 mu. So now everything will be as it is, so 2 into minus dp dz capital R square by 8 mu. So this is nothing but average velocity, so that will be 2 into that U bar. So Umax is nothing but Umax is equal to 2 into U bar. So now from here, so U average velocity is nothing but Umax by 2. So this means the average velocity is the half of the maximum velocity. So if you know, now I will talk about derivation of F is equal to 16 by Re. So here F is friction factor and Re is the Reynolds number. Now starting from the definition of friction factor, so F is equal to tau W rho U bar square by 2. So now we can write here tau W is wall shear stress, so tau W can be write as a minus mu du by dr R is equal to capital R. Earlier video we got that velocity profile for laminar flow, so UR is equal to minus del P by 4 mu L R capital R square minus small r square. If we differentiate with respect to R, so du by dr is nothing but del P by 4 mu L into 2R. So if we do the differentiation here from here to here with respect to R, we will get that. Now if we plug this du by dr here, so that will be minus mu into del P by 4 mu L into 2R. So mu will be cancel out, so we will have minus del P by L, and here that will be 2, so that will be R by 2. So now we got that tau W is nothing but that minus del P by L R by 2. Now if, and we know that F is equal to tau W by rho U square by 2. Now if we plug that tau W, that is equal to minus del P R by del L, so we can plug that that tau W value here. Now if we do some simplification, so F will be minus del P D 2 rho U square L. So all are average velocity U bar. Now for fully developed laminar flow, the pressure drop del P is related to the mean velocity U. So U bar or average velocity U by minus del P is equal to 32 mu U bar L by D square. Now from here, so we already got that F is equal to minus del P D to rho U bar square L. So now if we reorganize or if we plug that del P this del P is equal to 32 mu U bar L D square here. So now, and then if we do the simplification, we'll get 16 mu rho U D. Now we know that RE is equal to rho U D by mu. So from here we can get that 16 by RE. So now that we got that friction factor, so that friction factor actually called the fanning friction factor. Fanning friction factor is 16 by RE. RE is equal to rho UD by mu. So is the Reynolds number. Now relationship between Darcy friction factor, that FD, and fanning friction factor. So that is FD is equal to 4F. Now F we know, that is 16 by RE. So FD will be 16 by RE. So now FD will be 64 by RE. So fanning friction factor is 16 by RE and the Darcy friction factor is 64 by RE. That's it. Thank you.